to another adventure. I'm sharing our first airboat ride at Lake Tohopekaliga. Yeah, see if you can say that 3 times. That's in St. Cloud, Florida. Thank you for hanging out with us. Share, like, and subscribe. You know the deal. Thanks for tuning in. While you wait for your boat ride, you can hang out in the park with the children. You know how to play tennis. Or you can just hang out at the bohio, at the little park with the swings. You know, they got bathrooms. It's all really clean. They even have signs in Spanish in case you don't know that the trash ought to go in the right place. Look at that. Neat. Some of the cool stuff they have at some of these parks. Look at that. Awesome. Here for the airboat tours. Yeah. It is about $59 per person with taxes. And the rides are about 2 hours. All right, here we go again, headed to Spirit of the Swamp. It's our boat. $159 for 3 persons, so if you're good in math, you can divide it by 3. This is one of the captains. All right, I wish y'all could hear. We are connected to the headphone. They go our Captain Roy.
I tried to take it from him, but it looked kind of mean.
Yeah, you'll be competing.
I don't think they're gonna give him up.
To my parents, right back there. Gonna have a good time. Great thing about these rides is that you can forget about where you're at and all the city problems for an hour or 2, depending on how long you want your ride to be. You get to see all the flora and fauna that these lakes provide a habitat for. Know that your money is going to a good cause, and you get to meet new people. See a weird thing or 2 for a difference. We had a good time. The weather was perfect, and I had never seen an alligator guarding her eggs. It was a great thing. As always, thank you very much for hanging out with the catalog. This was a short adventure, yes, but it's something that I always wanted to do. And, you know, being that I took my parents, it was extra special. I hope that y'all enjoyed it. Get out there and have some fun.